Hey!
What's going on, guys?
Hello.
We are magnet fishing today. It's not the weather we expected.
Raining a little.
It's raining.
I thought you said it was going to be partly cloudy.
It was supposed to be partly cloudy. Our weather people don't know what they're talking about. But we're pretty excited. We're going to be testing out Centurion's new magnets today. We got the 1,400 pound clamp, and then we got the 2,400 pound double-sided magnet that we're going to be throwing out. We're going to be testing them out here on a beach. So it's basically a big swimming area around here. Hopefully people drop some stuff. We're also going to hit a couple docks around here as well with these bad boys. We've been here several times before, but we always tend to find stuff. So we're going to come out here and see what we can find.
And we're going to try our new magnets.
Yep. And if you would like to get your hands on one of these fantastic magnets, you can use our link in the description below and use promo code TJOutdoors10 to get 10% off your order.
TJ Outdoors 10.
Thank you for clarifying that, Jordan. So, again, if you want them, use that link in the description below. You can get a good discount on them and get your hands on some of these awesome magnets. But we're going to go put them to the test, and let's stop talking and see what we can go find. Let's go. It's all part of treasure hunt. Someone said SOS. You think they got rescued? I hope that deer oh wait, I think it said something else. Oh, it says Jesus this way.
Hey, I found some sunglasses.
Recording?
Yeah.
Treasure.
Look what I found.
Sunglasses.
Actually, pretty good shape.
You found a sock?
I found a sock.
Sweet. Ain't that nifty?
Not treasure.
No, no it's not. Oh yeah, this is Centurion's new rope too. A really nice thick rope with a
On a wagon.
very nice aluminum carabiner that's not magnetic, as you can see. So that's pretty sweet.
All right, guys, so we're back at a familiar spot here. Going down to a little sketchy bridge. If you go back in time, this is where I found a little frozen Disney princess fishing pole.
I'm scared to pull this down this ramp.
Don't drop all our magnets in the water.
All right, here we go. Got the big boy magnet. We are on the first dock we are doing today. The beach was a bust, but that's all right. It was a good chance to use our magnets and test them out. So since they're new, woo! Hey, oh dude. Oh man, it's a pouch that has something in it. All right, so it's a pouch. Look at this. Ooh. Oh my. Oh. It looks like a fillet knife set, yeah. So it's got a little serrated blade in there. Straight blade. There's another big blade right there. And then I think this is the, if I can get it out of there. Yeah. Yeah, these are all supposed to go in there. So, yeah. So, this is a fillet fish set. Basically, you got the handle here, and you got interchangeable blades here that could go in it. That's what they use, yeah, when they're filleting fish out here. So, that's a pretty cool find right there. Really neat. Of course, in the magnet fishing world, we call this a murder weapon. But that's probably just for filleting fish. But either way, that's a really cool find. That's really neat. What'd you find?
Piece of metal bar and a fishing hook.
Oh yeah. Sweet, look at there. You got another piece of old metal.
Big nail and some fishing line.
This is a fish scale. This is super cool. Guys, I got a cool find.
What you find?
It's a fish scale, like a weight.
Ooh, that's pretty cool. Lace that and a scale now. Got sense both worlds. I stuck to something.
Got a fishing jig. Sweet. Hey! I got a spring and a washer and a fishing hook. Oh God! Hey! I got it. Came out, popped open and everything.
What?
Came out, popped open and everything.
Heck yeah, it's like see then.
No.
No?
A nice little bag chair here. Pulled up with a Centurion clamp magnet. Oh, I lied. I lied. Found a screw and something. Screw and then an old piece of pipe or something. It's not very magnetic, but alright guys, we're on our third and final dock of the day. You probably recognize this one as we've been here many times. There's also a giant bike race going over there, so enjoy the background music. Oh, what appears to be very similar rope to what we tie our magnets on without the magnet. But found a rope and a carabiner. Carabiner still works, that's pretty cool. I pulled up a shiny washer. Ah, I got it. Oh, I found something. The giant chunk of metal. Metal turd. Oh, my rope. Come to, oh no! Oh good, there's still, oh my. Another piece of cable. Found a lot of cable here. A lot of cable, a lot of fishing line. Oh, look at this fishing jig. Ooh, that's a nice one. Is this the one I left here? Yeah. Nice little fishing jig. Yeah, still usable. Oh, and a shiny little screw. Ooh, boy. Oh, yeah. It's like one of those little, almost like a Christmas light bulb, but like... Yeah, I see that. Interesting. Yeah, looks like a tiny light bulb. Boat. That's pretty cool. Think. Jonathan found a whole magnet full. I don't know what that is. A washer?
It's a washer.
Washer or bottle cap? Oh, you're right. It's a washer.
It's flanged.
Yeah. Did you pull it up? Yeah. It appears to be, this is a rubber like claw that probably came off a fish, and then it'll stuck to that. Yeah, see? Oh, that's just like a little wing. Wee. You. I pulled up metal. Found a bungee strip. All right. There you go. You take this in, and I'll go this far, as far as I can, until it snaps. Well, it's got a break in it, so it ain't gonna go real far. Jordan found him a bungee strap. Looks like it's definitely about to break.
I found a nail and a bottle cap. Oh my God. I actually moved it that time. Yeah, it might be a little. Oh, you clamped to me. Yeah, you vibrated my rope. Well,
either way, y'all got twice the pulling power now.
And we got it.
We do.
Oh, there it went.
You know what it was, Jordan?
Anchor.
You know what it was, Jordan?
No.
I saw it.
What was it?
You remember the other dock with the giant frame?
Was it a big frame?
Yeah. That's exactly what it was.
Get it.
I'm on it.
It's loose now.
All right, Johnson. Actually, he should get ready with his hands. You want to put some gloves on? You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, we got it.
Got it.
Oh, what is that? A strap.
Oh.
I got it. Just a hook.
No, there is. I'm holding it. It's hitting the bottom of the dock.
Somebody got hung on it at some point. Oh, I just snapped the line.
You see it?
Yeah, did you see it, Jonathan?
No, but is it long enough I can walk around over this way and pull it away?
Yeah.
Oh, that was good. That was good. One more time. Oh.
Get over the lip.
Holy crap.
The camera's on, right?
Hope so. Oh yeah. All right, guys. So we pulled this up. Oh.
Whoa.
What?
Yeah, that's not going anywhere.
Now, that's what we've been looking on this whole time.
Yeah.
Get this on camera, Trav. And then we let it go.
Yeah, we can't pull this up.
We can't move this damn thing.
Ah!
I got it.
All right, so we pulled this up over here, but it also came up over there, which means it's stuck underneath this, which means
Unless we can drag it out under the front of the dock.
I don't think so.
You don't think
Which
so?
means we can't. Oh, just
Go ahead and let go of
we're gonna have to unfortunately let it go.
it. See if we can flip it over. Flip it that way.
There we go. All right, guys. Well, you saw. We hated to let that just drop back down in there, but I mean, with three of us, we physically couldn't pull that out here where we could do it. Plus, I don't have anything big enough to haul that in, and I don't want to just leave it on the side of the bank. So I think that's gonna probably end it. A perfect camper right on the back of it. Oh, that did not help. Oh, that made it worse.
That is not helping.
I'm sorry. My bad.
Better than tripping and falling into the lake.
Yeah, sorry. I had to sacrifice your shirt for the greater good. What's going on, guys? We are finishing up. We finished up our trip down on the third dock. It is starting to rain again as we're doing our outro. As you see, we pulled up a crap ton of cool stuff today, including the fillet set. Jordan found a fish scale and a chair. And then we finally
Solved our mystery.
solved our mystery. This dock that we fished at here on the last one, this is the very first dock we ever magnet fished at. And every time we've come back to it, we've always attached to something super heavy we could not move. But as you saw in the video, we finally uncovered what it was. It's a ginormous frame that we were finally able to pull up and get a look at, but ultimately we still couldn't pull it.
Yeah, but we solved the mystery, all thanks to our new magnets that you saw in the beginning of this video. Really good magnets, and I think that's official.
Yeah, shout out to Centurion Magnets. If that couldn't tell you how good their magnets are, I don't know what will. Because all our magnets up to this point would not even budge that sign. we were able to pull that thing completely up out of the water and see what it was, and even move it around.
Yep.
We couldn't get it out from underneath the dock, but hey. But we're gonna call it quits here for the magnet fishing today. I think we're gonna do some disc golfing. I don't know if we'll video that or not.
If it doesn't rain.
Yeah, if it don't rain, we'll see. But we're gonna go ahead and close out. Again, if y'all want to get your hands on some of those magnets that we use today, links in the description below. Use promo code
TJ Outdoors 10 for 10% off.
10% off.
Don't forget.
But we're gonna close it out, guys. Again, like our video, leave some comments, and of course, make sure you are subscribed to see our future video. And until next time, guys,
Keep it real.